What I wish people knew about being a digital marketer and having to post content on social media. It's not always easy. We're only human and we go through things and feel things just the same as all of you. In October 21st to be exact, my husband was in an accident with our only source of income, our semi. Obviously, we had insurance on it, but I didn't have nearly enough on it with the way today's market is. Thankfully, he wasn't hurt, and our flatbed trailer wasn't hurt either. We found another semi that we purchased for way more money than we did that semi a few years ago. Got it up in Michigan. On the way down here to North Carolina, it blew up. So we bought it on a Thursday. The following Monday, we had to have it towed to a repair facility. And that was November 14th. Truck needs repairs upwards of $16,000. And we were hoping that it would be done this week or the beginning of next. But I just got off the phone with them and they're talking that it's not even going to be done until the end of next week. Maybe. So listen, I was in auto repair for over 10 years. I know how this business works, and it frustrates me to no end that they are not putting in the time. They're not putting in the effort. Their one mechanic that actually works on Kenworths is having dental work done on Monday and Tuesday. Now listen, I understand that people have personal stuff that they have to deal with, but don't tell me to bring my vehicle in or my semi in knowing that we're in a time crunch, knowing our situation, knowing that we have no other income. Tell me that it's going to be done quickly and then drag me on for over a month. I'm so frustrated right now. I mean, I don't even know how we're staying afloat. Right before all this, I was able to get a home equity line of credit to pay off debt, but now we're having to use it to live on. And it's especially hard right now because of Christmas. And we would like to get home to Michigan, but that's more expense that we have to incur in order to do that we don't have. So don't take this the wrong way. I'm always the person that has the outlook of it could always be worse. And it can, and I know that. But hence the reason why I'm doing this and why I'm putting the time in now to become an affiliate marketer so we can have a future later.